Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses and the relays are located for the infotainment system, guys, on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll talk about that, where we can find them. We'll talk about common mistakes people make and hidden fuse boxes. By the way, if you need to buy, guys, replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So for the infotainment system, guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find these fuses and relays. Now, quick advice from us, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. Now what we need to do, we need to open the passenger door, guys, and when we do that, okay, on the passenger side in the footwell compartment, on the center console here, you're going to see you have one cover, guys, right there. Pry that cover open, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, guys, you may have up to 2 fuses that you need to check here, depending on the model, year, okay, and configuration. You may have both, you may have only one, so don't freak out. But the fuses that we need to check, okay, the first fuse specifically, okay, will be known as fuse number 5, right here. If you have it, check it. If not, check, that's the main fuse, guys. Fuse number 9. Right here, that 20 amp fuse. If you have problems with radio, audio system, infotainment system, pull that fuse, let the system reset, guys, and see if it fixes the problem. But that's the main fuse that you will, guys, need to check on your Chevy Equinox. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.